You see, to be connected to anybody, we need to develop a relationship. And that relationship develops out of love. When we love somebody, we naturally become related to that person. So, if we want to be connected to God, then we have to develop a loving relationship with Him. You see, love is actually a substance. Love is something that brings us close to each other. It is love that brings us together, and hatred separates us. So, the love is there in everyone's heart, and that love is actually meant to be offered to the Lord. When we offer our love to the Lord, then our relationship with Him becomes established. But unfortunately, we have forgotten about Him. Therefore, we do not know how to offer our love to Him or repose our love to Him. Because of forgetfulness of Him, we are offering our love to various other entities or objects. And the purpose of that love is to experience joy. It is through love that we experience joy. And we are trying to develop joy. We are trying to enjoy. We are trying to become joyful by developing our loving relationship with others. But no matter wherever we offer our love, we don't ultimately get the joy, because at some point in time, that love comes to an end, either through death or through separation or various ways. Our love is lost. Instead of giving us the joy, the love ends up causing us distress and pain. No matter wherever we offer our love, it is not going to give us the ultimate objective of love, that is joy. But the love is actually meant to be offered to the Lord. Therefore, in Christianity also we find, love thy Father, Lord the God. Because by loving our Father, Lord the God, we will develop our relationship with Him. And that loving relationship is eternal, and that loving relationship is the source of joy.